Diagram for the practical of peripheral blood smear should be like this. Four things you have to keep in mind. One is the cell size. Second one is the lobes of the nucleus. Third one is the granules of the WBCs. And the last one is the cytoplasm. Cell size of the granulocyte and the large lymphocyte is almost equal. Small lymphocyte is equal to the RBC and the monocyte is the largest WBC. Nucleus of all is violet or the purple in color. Granules of neutrophil pink purple, eosinophil brick red and the basophil blue in color. Only eosinophil has a pink cytoplasm. For the diagram in the peripheral blood smear, first thing you should keep in the mind that maintain the whatever ratio for particular size. So these are the granulocytes. These are for the A granulocyte. The granulocytes are the neutrophil, eosinophil and the basophil. So you have to use the same circle size for the neutrophil, for the eosinophil and for the basophil, as well as for the large lymphocyte, because large lymphocyte size is almost equal to the granulocyte. For the small lymphocyte, you have to choose one circle, you have to draw the one size smaller as compared to this neutrophil, eosinophil and the basophil. And the small lymphocyte size is almost equal to that of the RBC. So you can draw the RBC inside of this small lymphocyte. And for the monocyte it is the largest WBC, so you have to draw it largest as compared to the other white blood cells. Now we move for the coloring part. So the nucleus of the each white blood cells, that is violet or the purple in color, because nucleus contains the RNAs and the DNAs. So you can see the nucleus of each white blood cells you have to color with the violet color or the purple color. In the large lymphocyte, the nucleus covers almost 2/3 portion of the cell size. So the nucleus cytoplasmic ratio is like nucleus cover the 2/3 portion and then cytoplasm 1/3. While in the small lymphocyte, only the thin rim of the cytoplasm is visible. In monocyte, nucleus occupies less than 50% of the cell size, or you can also remember the nucleus is usually 1/3 that of the cell size. So the 1/3 cell size is occupied by nucleus and the 2/3 of the cell is occupied by the cytoplasm. In this diagram, you can see the nucleus characteristic of each white blood cell. So the granules of the neutrophil, it is a fine. So you can draw like this. Just touch the tip of the pencil with purple color or the pink purple. So you can use the both colors, pink and the purple color. For the basophil, the granules are blue in color. They are coarse and cover the nucleus. Diagram showing the granule features of the basophil. The granules of the eosinophil, they are brick red in color, so we will use the red color for the granules, and the granules of eosinophil are the coarse, not the fine. So we will draw like this. This diagram show the characteristic feature of granules of eosinophil. The cytoplasm of the large lymphocyte and the small lymphocyte, that is pale blue in color. In small lymphocyte, only the thin rim of the cytoplasm is seen. For the monocyte, cytoplasm is pale blue in color. Cytoplasm of neutrophil and the basophil also blue in color. The cytoplasm of the eosinophil, it is the pink in color. Diagram shows the WBCs, RBC and the clumps of the platelets in smear.